So next we have is the grand preset. You can change the color settings here. So this zigzag line, this is known as the current tracer. So it will change color if there is a bearish momentum, and it will act as a resistance. So whenever we have a bearish momentum, the current tracer will change color, and zigzag line will act as a resistance level. The red line will act as a resistance, and the green line will act as a support level. So the grand tracer was green and it acted as a support here. So when the rise action breaks the line, the current tracer comes from red to green. So current tracer turned from red to green when the price breaks the resistance. And when the price again breaks the support level, right here, the current tracer comes from green to red. So this was the support level, the price broke it, and it comes from green to red, right? So this is a clear indicator if the market is playing bullish or bearish. So if we see a red trend tracer, the market is bearish. If we see a green trend tracer, the market is bullish. Again here, the red trend tracer, market is bearish. So these can be used as support and resistance levels. These can be used as indications for market behavior. Right here, the price broke the support level here for the trend tracer. And we see the trend tracer turn from green to red. And we have the clear downward swing item, right? Then here, the trend tracer worked as a support level. So these can be used with the bull and bear flag. Bull and bear flag. So this little there here. So this is the red one is the bear flag, and the green one is the bull flag, this one here. So when we see a bear flag or a bull flag here, this means that the grand tracer has changed the behavior from bullish to bearish. There we will see a bear flag, and this usually means a retest is in order, just like here. So we will always see a retest after the flag appears. So it's always better to keep an eye on the flags. So this is a clear indication that the rise has changed color. Running tracer has changed color from bearish to bullish, and we will see a retest towards the current tracer and the momentum upwards, right? So again here, bear flag, retest, and bull flag and retest, and upwards direction, right? Again upwards, being the support level layer, right? All right, so in the next video, we will talk about bullish and bearish reversals with SMP signals, right?